Hello dear friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson from the famous book The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The title of this lesson is The Chef Parrot and Baking Monkey. This is a very interesting story, so I'll just get right into it. It was a cold winter morning in London. A man was returning home from his work. He lived in a small apartment building. As he opened the door, he heard some strange noises. It sounded like someone was baking cookies in the kitchen. He found it very strange because no one else lived in the apartment. The man went to the kitchen to see what was happening. There he saw a parrot taking an egg out of the refrigerator. The parrot was wearing a small apron and a chef's hat. The man was very surprised to see all this. Then the parrot broke the egg into a bowl and started to bake something. The man could not believe his eyes. He thought he was dreaming, but he was not. The parrot was really baking. The man watched the parrot for some time. He wanted to know what would happen next. The parrot finished baking and took the cookies out of the oven. Then it started eating them. It ate all the cookies in a few minutes. After that, the man left the kitchen and went to his room. He couldn't understand what had happened. At night, the man was reading a book when he heard some strange noises again. He went to the kitchen to see what was happening. And there he saw the same parrot taking flour out of the refrigerator. The parrot was making bread this time. The parrot baked the bread and then started eating it. This continued for some days. Every day the parrot would take some flour or sugar, bake something, and eat it. The man became very annoyed. He didn't like the parrot baking at night and making a lot of noise. So he decided to talk to the parrot. The next time he saw the parrot, the man said, "Mr. Parrot, I don't mind you baking, but please don't make so much noise. I want to sleep at night." The parrot replied, "I am sorry, Mr. Holmes. I can't help it. I am a chef parrot. It's my job to bake and cook." The man asked, "Who told you that?" The parrot said, "The monkey told me. He is my friend." Then the man went to the window and saw a monkey hanging outside the window. The monkey was also wearing a chef's hat. The man said, "Oh, I see. So you two are friends and you like to bake and eat at night, making a lot of noise." The monkey replied, "We don't make any noise, Mr. Holmes. You are the one who is making all the noise. We only eat at night because we are afraid of the big dog that you have. He doesn't like us, so we come out at night to eat." The man understood what the matter was. He said, "Don't worry, Mr. Parrot, Mr. Monkey. I don't have any dog. That was my friend's dog. He often comes to visit me, but now he has gone to France. So you can bake and eat as much as you want. No one will disturb you." The parrot and the monkey were very happy to hear this. They thanked the man and went away. From that day onwards, the chef parrot and the baking monkey came out every night and ate lots of delicious food. Sometimes they baked cookies, sometimes bread, and sometimes other yummy food. They ate all the flour, sugar, and eggs in the house. One day the man came home and saw that all the food was finished. He went to the store to buy some more food. When he came back, he saw the parrot and the monkey eating his new food. The man was very angry. He shouted, "Hey, you have eaten all my food. Get out of here." The parrot and the monkey were very scared. They packed their things and left the house. The man was very sad after they left. He missed their company. He also missed the yummy food they baked for him. So he went to their house and knocked on the door. The parrot opened the door and said, "Mr. Holmes, Is that you? Please come in. The man entered the house and said, I am sorry for shouting at you. Please come back home with me. The parrot and the monkey were very happy. They packed their things and went back home with the man. They lived happily ever after. So friends, this is the story of the chef parrot and the baking monkey. Do you like this story? If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This will make sure that you get to watch all our awesome videos. We'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning.